With the Factory 56, Mercedes-Benz Cars is presenting the world's most modern car production. It combines three trend-setting features. It is consistently digital and flexible, and it brings the term green production to life. Here at the Mercedes-Benz site in Sindelfingen, Germany, we are creating the first car plant of the future. This will be the blueprint for many other operations around the globe. As the inventor of the car, with our Factory 56, we are reinventing production and writing a new chapter in the history of the worldwide automobile industry.